Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I was walking up this hillside and found the possibility of a decent hobo stove. Let me show you how to make a hobo stove just using a pocket knife. I've spared you all the details that you've seen on this channel over and over again. I took a piece of pine bark, scraped the bottom, the outside, and the inside real well. I put holes for ventilation in the bottom, so of course you'll have to watch it when you're using it for those coals that are dropping out. Holes on the bottom, holes on the top, and the rust through here is what we'll use as a feed window. Since there's no legs on it, it'll have to be propped up, or else it'll burn a hole in my paint job. And some good sticky fat wood that I harvested this morning. And that's the very inside of the branch that was about that thick. So let's go ahead and start burning it off. I thought this would scrape better than the dried out stuff, but it does not. Let's see if it'll ignite at all. Keychain ferrod, more companion stainless. Corona razor tooth saw, $27, Home Depot. That ought to be plenty of heat to burn off the inside of that can. I just cut some green magnolia and whittled a flat on each side. It should work. So let's stoke the fire. I have some more of that 2x6 that I got out of the woods. Now, let's give it a try. Right there. That should be enough fuel to boil that water, even without a windscreen. could expose more of the can to the flames, couldn't I?
Let's try that.
It makes sense that this back one would boil. It makes sense that this back one would boil because this was acting as a windscreen and the wind was blowing this way, so all the heat was being blown over towards that can. What I want to see though is how these spacers held up. We know that one burned through, this one did not burn through, and then our spacers on the very bottom, they held up pretty good. We'll catch you on the next one. And another mistake I made is I should not have put any load on this rusted out area right here. I should have put my load across here. Now that was a dumb mistake. I'm gonna do some body work here.